Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
What it do, what it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do this hairdo. We do have a treat. We're playing with color today. She is a blonde. I rarely ever play with color for the simple fact that I really do feel like dark hair is me. I can kind of get away with ginger, but I feel like I've never found a blonde hair that like fits me. But this is pretty close. Compared to all the blonde hairs that I have ever tried, this is by far the best one. This comes colored like this. It is just out of the box, ready to go. Today I decided to go for some Ghetto Fabulous baby hairs because I felt like this particular hair calls for the style. It's giving dance hall queen. It calls for the ghetto fabulousness. Okay, today's hair is by Dorsanee. I hope I'm saying that right. This is my first time to actually work with them and I am quite surprised. This is what I'm working with for the first time, a blonde unit. It's really pretty. The hair is silky, smooth to the touch. This is a body wave, but if you know blonde hair, you know blonde hair tends to be a little bit more on the finer side when it comes to texture, but it's really pretty, really easy to work with. Now I did go in and use my bendy rollers in the beginning of the video, but I left it for 1 hour, but it wasn't quite dry, so I had to go in and bump it up with my curling rod. But the hair is really pretty. You can part this in the middle, on the side. Let me read it properly. Texture, body wave, 13 by 4, color P18. Listen, I'll have everything right here. Y'all know how this thing go, okay? It is 200%. Can you talk? It is 200% density and 24 inches. And she really is a beauty. The hair is very luxurious. I just feel so weird looking at myself, but it is pretty. You know, it is pretty. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Like, it's really pretty. And I did tease the hair. And as you can tell, I'm just running my fingers through it and it's detangling by itself. It's really pretty. Like, the hair is very luxurious and I really do like this unit a lot. Down in the roots is just a little tint of a darker type of blonde, like a strawberry blonde. It's a little, you see what I'm saying? Because down at the roots here it's lighter and then it's darker, so I feel like it's tying in. I'm able to work with it a lot better compared to, you know, just straight blonde hair. But yeah, I really like it. The hair is really pretty, really luxurious. You guys know if it isn't good hair, it doesn't make it on hair. So make sure you check out Dorsanee. Everything will be linked down below. And without further ado, let's just get right on into the styling of the video.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll.
I'm good to go. So that is it for this hair. Very ghetto fabulous. Okay, I really like it. It's very different. It's giving Carlene 2024. Y'all know anything about Carlene? Want to know about Carlene? And I don't know nothing about Carlene. Stop tell lie. So very easy, very simple to style, and you can do 1 million things with this. It is a frontal, so you can do a side part, a middle part. As for me, I went for an updo because I'm in the updo era as well. I'm loving the updos, you know. I like hair out of my face, you know, like show the face. Okay, so yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about the hair. Like, it's really pretty. As for me, I still need to get used to this because I'm not used to seeing myself like this, but I think it's super cute. I like it. Anyways, make sure you check out Dorsanee. I hope I'm saying that right. Make sure you check them out. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. So if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe. Join the tribe. Come on in. We are a happy bunch. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. And until the next video, take care of yourselves. And I will see you guys really soon.